I helped my student cheat on exams, and I'm not sorry for that. I am a grad student and I'm a teaching assistant for a calculus professor. Karina was one of my students. Karina failed this class twice and was trying again over the summer. This was the last math course required for her major. The school's policy is that you get 3 chances to pass a class. Karina was desperate and I really wanted to help her. From day one, she put in the effort. Every week, she came to my office hours early and stayed past the end. We did so many practice questions together. I tried to explain things to her in so many different ways. I brought in other grad students to help her visualize things. We tried to use real-world examples about marine biology, but none of it helped. She was still on the verge of failing the class. I personally think it's silly how she's required to take calculus as a marine biology major. In the future, let's say she needs to estimate how long it will take for water to drain from salt marshes on Florida's Gulf Coast during low tides. She can use plenty of tools to help with that. When she's a marine biologist, she will not need to solve calculus problems by hand on a closed book test. She's actually a really good student in all her other subjects. Calculus just wasn't her thing no matter how hard she tried. I know some people think this is impossible, like, if you try hard enough, you can accomplish anything. But that's not always true. Before the first midterm, Karina asked for extra help. I told her I could meet her over the weekend. We met at an obscure coffee shop about 20 minutes away. The teaching assistants and the professor wrote the exams together, so I had them with me. I helped Karina practice the exact questions that would be on the test. I gave her the questions one by one and made her repeat them. I think she caught on to what I was doing. We went over each question so many times that she had them memorized like a poem. For the final, I helped her study the exact same way. She passed the class. She can continue now as a marine biologist and she never has to take calculus again. I know this was unfair to the other students, but I'm not sorry for doing it. I gave Karina a fighting chance. I want to help my students succeed, even if it means playing the game a little differently. I still see Karina around. She says she will be forever grateful for my help. She says if it hadn't been for me, she might have abandoned her dreams of being a marine biologist.